Hi, my name is Carlos with the Santana team. Today we're at Jake Street in Somerville. This is the first of 3 units to hit the market. Let's go take a look. This is an oversized unit with a great layout. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath with major updates to the kitchen with new appliances and updated bathroom. We are in a great location near Foss Park, Assembly Row, Winter Hill Brewery, and the Green Line Extension. Thanks for taking a look around today. This is one you don't want to miss. For more information, check out santanateam.com.